of the waves. I've tried to shut this down, but the flame never goes out.